Hello there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a complete CRM system in Laravel with Claude Code. And I'm going to show you all the process step by step. At first, here you can see I have generated a prompt. So basically, what we will do here is we're going to use Claude Code for the project creation. And here we just have to give the prompt, and then the whole project will be done by this AI. So I'm going to show you all the process, and this is going to be very easy tutorial. So if you don't know how to code, this video is for you. So don't skip the video, okay? And here at first I'm going to go to the chatgpt.com. Here you can see currently I'm inside ChatGPT. So you just have to come here, ChatGPT, okay? Come here in this site, and then you can actually get it, okay? ChatGPT, there you can see. So I have actually given here all the information about my project, and this is just for the tutorial purpose. So I have just given here a little information about my project. Here you can see for the front end, I want to use HTML, CSS, JS, Bootstrap. Now in your case, if you want to use other framework, you can use. Then we have database MySQL. Then you can go with other database also. Then and you can use Django also for the backend. Basically, you just have to mention here. Then I have mentioned that I want to use XAMPP localhost server because I'm going to actually use my PC as the server. So localhost, and then MySQL server. Then color combination I have mentioned here, dark blue and orange. So basically you have to actually give here all the information about your project, okay? Then you have to ask for a prompt, and here you can see I have asked that I am not a coder. What I want is Claude will complete the whole project for me, and it will run the server also, so that I can check it. And I have mentioned that also you have to add the SQL as standard query language file, okay, in the database. I mean, I will not do here anything. I will just give the prompt, this prompt, and then it will generate the whole project for me. So I have generated the prompt. You can see now you just have to go through this prompt, and then if you find anything, I mean, if you want to change any specific portion, you can mention here that, okay, change all of them. All right, so you just have to actually mention here and then regenerate the prompt. So we have completed the prompt section. Now let's go for the AI. So the AI is Claude Code AI. So this is not free, fully free. This is paid. And if you want to use Claude Code CLI, I mean, if you want to use in the terminal, then you have to pay for it. Okay. Then if you want to create it, create a big size project, you have to pay for it because it has a token limitation, and you cannot actually complete the whole project through it, these limitations. So you have to actually go with at least in pro version. That will cost maybe $17 to $20. So you have to actually pay for it, okay? But let's say you want to do it for free, you don't want to pay for anything, so you can go with Open Code CLI. This is also a command line interface based AI extension. You can go with it, and that is the process is really simple. Let me show you. If you just go for terminal, then if you go for sudo npm, basically if you're from Windows, you don't have to write here sudo, okay? Sudo will be only used for the Mac user. So sudo, then you have to say I, then space -g space open code, okay? Open code -ai at latest, okay? That's it. And if you're from Mac, you have to just remove this at latest, okay? That's it. Then if you hit enter, then it will actually install open code. Then you can actually open code, and then you can paste the prompt here, okay? Then it will generate the whole project for you. But if you want more professional website, you have to actually pay for it, and you have to go with Claude Code, okay? Claude Code. Now to install Claude Code, either we can use CLI, we can use extension also, we can use desktop app also. What you have to do, you have to actually go to the browser and then go for Claude AI, okay? Claude AI, you have to go for it, and then you can see sign in, Claude AI sign in. You can actually go there and sign into your account. I already create my Claude account here, you can see. So what you have to do, if you want to use it fully free, you have to generate the code and then download the code and use it. But if you want to use it for, if you want to use the paid version, you can go with CLI either, or maybe you can go with an extension. I will show you how you can go with an extension, but let me show you how you can go with command line interface. Just go to the terminal, and then you have to say here sudo, okay, then install space -g space at anthropic THROPIC -AI slash Claude code. Now you just have to hit enter, then it will install Claude Code CLI, command line interface, okay, and then you just have to log in through your account. But I will show you how you can go with an extension. For this we are going to use here an IDE, and you can use VS Code also, but in this case I'm going to use Google anti-gravity anti-gravity, okay. So let's remove it and come to this site antigravity.google.com, okay, and then you can select any of the operating system here and just select the download option. You can see download for Apple Silicon, and if you're from Windows, download for x64. All right, and you just have to install it. I already installed it in my PC, so I am going to go with this. Let's go for the application section here, and let's go for anti-gravity. So open this, and I already have a project here, so I'm going to remove this, and you, in your case, you will find something like this. You have to log in through your account, anti-gravity account. Basically you can go through your Google account, and in the right side you can see we have agent section here, we have an anti-gravity chat option here. So we can use this, right? But we are not going to use this. We are going to remove this, and we are going to go for the extension here, and then go for Claude Code for VS Code, okay. You have to install this. You can see I already installed it in my anti-gravity, right? So you have to install it, and then when you will install it, under this extension section you will find Claude Code chat section. You can see I have last session, I have generated a project, and now I will generate a new project for it, okay. Now I will add here a new project for the ERP system. So let's go to the browser, let's go for it. So we are going to copy this prompt, okay. So this is CRM system, okay. So we are going to now download one more thing, and that is XAMPP. Why? Because Laravel is a server-side scripting language framework. I mean, Laravel is a PHP framework, PHP is a server-side scripting language, so we need a server for this. XAMPP will provide us this server, and XAMPP will also provide us MySQL database server. So we are going to use XAMPP here. Go to the browser and search for XAMPP, then come to this site apachefriends.org, click here download. Now select the operating system and download the latest version. If you are from Windows, if you download it in C drive or D drive, no matter, you have download the XAMPP, you will get a folder called XAMPP like this. So you have to go inside the folder, go inside the htdocs folder, and here you have to create the project. I already have a project here. I'm going to delete this. Let's create a new project, and that is CRM-Laravel. And this project we will use this on anti-gravity. So let's go add it on the anti-gravity, drag and drop it like this, remove this agent section, and currently we are inside CRM Laravel. Now let's go here, Claude Code chat option, click here new option, okay, new session, and here we have to give the prompt, select edit automatically here, okay. Now we just have to paste the prompt here. Let's go back to the browser, but before that we are going to go to the XAMPP control panel. Now if you are from Windows, you have to go for the XAMPP control panel, like you have to press Windows key from your keyboard, then type XAMPP control panel, then you will get XAMPP control panel. In macOS we have to open this file, manager-osx. So double click on the file, give the password, make login password, and here we go, we are in the XAMPP control panel. Now from here we are going to start Apache and MySQL both server, and they should be running, so we have to wait for some times. So running, it's okay, fine. Now we just have to go back here in this Claude Code chat option, okay, and now we have to paste the prompt here. So let's go back to the browser and let's go back here, and we just have to copy this. Let's copy this. Let's go back to the anti-gravity chat option. Here we're going to paste it, and now we just have to hit enter, or maybe we can click here in this up arrow sign. Here we go. Now we don't have to do here anything except there will be some pop-up like you need to give it some permissions. So yes, you have to do this. This is kind of pathetic, but it's okay. We are not going to do here any coding, so we can actually do this, right? So give the permission individually, and you can dangerously skip permission, but I will not recommend you to do this because this is AI. We shouldn't give them all permission, right? So you can actually give here, specific permission, give all the permission. Now sometimes it will ask for more permission. We just have to give here all the permission. That's it. You have to read at first, and then if you think that no, you don't want to give the permission, you can actually deny it. Okay, I will show you the project output, but for now I'm going to fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I will back. So here you can see it complete the whole project for us. Now we don't have to do here anything. It complete the whole project and at the database also. So we are going to now go to the this side, okay, localhost, and here you can see admin then password. We just have to give here admin@crm.com and password is here. I'll say not now. And here you can see this is the dashboard. We have here customer section. We can add new customer. You can see. Then we have sales and invoices. You can see it's working, okay, perfectly. And we have here night mode also. You can see, and then light mode. So that's it. I hope you understand. And if this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.